Welcome everybody to Easy Mathematics by Sky. Now we are seeing the assignment 1 Mathematics Class 10 2021-22 Unit 1 Relation and Functions Multiple choice questions. So the first question is, if n of a cross b is equals to 6, n of a is equals to 1, 3, then n of b is. So as we know, we write the formula in the form n of a cross b is equals to n of a into n of b. So first we write n of a cross b is equals to 6, n of a is equals to 2 because there are only two elements here. N of b we don't know, we write the formula, we substitute the formula. So as we substitute the formula, we come to know that n of a cross b is equals to 6, 2 into n of b. So we divide 2 here, so 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the option for it is C. Now question number 2. In question number 2, we are given a is equals to a comma b comma p and b is equals to 2 comma 3, c is equals to p q r, then n of a union c cross b. So first we find a union c is equals to a comma b comma p union p q r s. So a b p q r s. So n of a union c cross b is equals to 6 into 2, which becomes 12. Now we are in question number 3. If there are 512 relations from A 2, 3, 5 to B, then the number of relation in B. So as we know, the relation are 512. So it becomes 2 power 9. So this becomes 2 into n of A into n of B. So by comparing, we can write n of A into n of B is equals to 9. N of A we are given with 3 elements. So 3 into n of B is equals to 9. N of b is equals to 9 by 3, which is equal to 3. Therefore n of b is equals to 3. The option given is B. Now coming to question number 4. The range of relation is this: x is a prime number less than 13. So x is a prime number less than 13. So x is written as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So x square is equals to 4, 9, 25, 14 and 121. So the option given is C. If order pair a plus 2, 4 and 5, 2a plus b are equal, then a, b is equals to 3, minus 2 into d. The option is D. Question number 6. Let n of a is equal to m and n of b is equal to n. That the total number of non-empty relation from a to b is 2 power mn, and the option given is D. In question number 7, we are given if a comma b 7 comma b, there is a printing mistake in the question. One of the b should be 5. Represent identity function less than the value of a and b, then the values of a and b are 7 comma 5, and the option is C. Next, if f of x equal to 2 power x, question number 8, g of x equal to 1 by 3x, then f of g is. There is no perfect option given for this. It should be either this should become 2 power x power 2, only then answer will be perfect. Okay, so we are given with f of g and g of f is equal to f of 1 by 3x, which becomes 2 power 1 by 3x. Now question number 9, there is no option perfect for it, that is why I did not write the option. Question number 9, if a to b is bijective function, n of b is equals to 7, n of a is equals to 7, then option given is A. If f of x equal to this, represent quadratic function. It represent what function? Quadratic function, because while calculating x cube will cancel with x cube, so we will be left with quadratic function, as option is D. Other part will be continued in the second video.